In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sync both screens in TradingView Mobile. If you like comparing two charts at once, say different time frames of the same symbol or two related markets, setting up a dual screen layout on TradingView Mobile makes that process smooth and efficient. Here's how to get there and make it feel cohesive when you work. Start by opening the TradingView app on your phone. Give it a moment to load your workspace so everything is ready. If you haven't updated in a while and don't see the options I'm about to mention, it's a good idea to update the app first. Next, head to the chart section using the button along the bottom toolbar. This is your main workspace for analysis where indicators, drawing tools, and settings live. Once you're on a chart, look for the three dots at the bottom of the screen. That menu opens additional options specific to your chart view. Tap the three dots, then choose Layout Setup. Here, select the layout that shows two screens. As soon as you confirm, your phone will split the chart area into two panes. Each pane behaves like a normal chart, so you can tap a pane to make it active and interact with it. Pinch to zoom, drag to scroll, and use your usual tools, everything will feel familiar. With both charts visible, you can keep your analysis in sync visually. Many traders like to keep one pane on a higher time frame and the other on a lower time frame, so context and entries stay aligned. Rotate your phone to landscape if you want more room. The dual layout adapts to your orientation, which can make candles and indicators easier to read. If performance feels sluggish, try closing background apps to keep both charts running smoothly. If you don't see layout setup or the two-screen option, it may depend on your plan or app version. Updating the app or checking your subscription can resolve that quickly. And that's it. You've set up a two-screen chart layout in TradingView Mobile, making it easier to view, compare, and keep your analysis organized in one place.